Hey there everyone, Happy New Year. Today I have a very special video. I have recently bought this really cool laptop, the Lenovo L460. This will help me make better videos. Now I can also make PC related videos for you guys. This would not have been possible without any of you, so thank you so much. This laptop has an Intel Core i5 6th Gen processor and 8 gigs of RAM. It also comes with 512 gigabytes of storage stored in an NVMe SSD. This powerful laptop will be just what I need for editing and maybe a bit of light gaming on the side. I got it for around $240, and the unboxing is very pleasant indeed. It's such a cool looking laptop, even though it had been released a few years ago, yet it still holds up till this day. The build quality feels amazing. With the laptop comes the warranty, as well as the power cable for it. This is also my first unboxing, and I'm still unboxing it in the shop. It looks so cool. Let me guys know if you want a part 2, where I review it and how it performs. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. It looks so cool. Battery was dead,